Hello chemistry fans, and welcome back to the Chemistry 1032 problem solving set. I am Dr. Betts. I will be your guide through this problem today. Let's try that again. Chapter 2, problem number, itchy nose. It's embarrassing that's on tape. All right, one more time. Chapter 2, problem 9. Hello chemistry fans, and welcome back to the Chemistry 1032 problem solving set. I am Dr. Betts, and I will be your guide through this problem. This is a standard chemistry problem. Density. Density is the relationship of mass and the volume it contains. So it's a very common theme in chemistry. So let's read this problem together. What is the density of a metal that has a mass of 24.5 grams and a volume of 12.8 milliliters? So here's how I like to address these problems. First of all, I like to take the problem and just break it down. Read the problem once and then read it a second time carefully. What is the density of a metal? So density equals our question. We don't know the density. The formula, if you need a formula, density equals mass over volume. Typical units for density are grams per milliliter or grams per centimeter cubed. Those are your typical units for density. So that's what we need to figure out. We need to know the density. We know that the mass equals 24.5 grams because it was given to us in the question right here. So I just wrote it down in a little table, little single column table, just so I can keep all my numbers straight. I know that the volume, V, is 12.8 milliliters. So that's all the pertinent information that I need. Now, I know, because I have the formula, that density is mass over volume. I also know the units should be grams over milliliters. So here I have a measurement in grams, and here I have it in milliliters. So this seems like a pretty straightforward little question. So we take 24.5 grams, divide it by 12.8 milliliters. Bust out our handy dandy calculator. 24.5 divided by 12.8 equals. Oh boy, calculator gave us a string of numbers. Let's write those down. 1.91400625 grams per milliliter. Now, that is what the calculator told me. Wow. We have to remember something. We have to round our numbers. Here, we are dividing. So we're going to use the rules for multiplying and dividing measurements. The top measurement has 3 significant figures. The bottom measurement has 3 significant figures. So my measurement with the least number of significant figures is both of them. They both have 3. So my final answer can't have this many digits. It can only have 3. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. So the 1 is my third significant figure. So I look 1 digit beyond it to see how I have to round. This digit, the 1 number beyond the third significant figure, is a 4. Again, if it's 4 or less, this number doesn't change. So the final answer will be 1.91 grams per milliliter. And then just put a little box around it. That's what I like to do. Put a little box around my final answer so there's no question in my professor's mind what my final answer is. Alright, now I hope this video has been helpful. If you're still not quite sure about how I obtain these numbers, please do not hesitate to contact a tutor here at the Academic Success Center or come to office hours to find your professor and get this kind of question straightened out. They're really not hard, but they're important that you know how to do them. So with that, I wish you good luck and good chemistry.